Hey you guys, good morning. Right now it is 8:30 in the morning. It's a Sunday. So for those of you that don't know, I do work Tuesday through Saturday. So Sunday and Monday are considered my weekends, are considered my Saturday and Sundays. So you guys are always asking to get to know me a little bit more, to vlog. So I decided let's switch it up and let's do a day in my life type of video. And I'm going to bring you guys along with me on my Sunday adventures. I don't know if it's going to be very fun, but you guys are going to come along with me anyways. And I do want to give a huge thank you and shout out to Home Chef for sponsoring this video, because when it gets to lunchtime and dinner time, guess what we're going to be doing? We're going to be cooking with Home Chef, which is a home delivery meal service. And you guys, they make cooking so easy, so convenient, so quick, which y'all, with my lifestyle, I don't have hours to spend on cooking or eating, but I also don't want to eat a bunch of takeout food, you know? So, Home Chef, yes. Well, we'll talk a little bit more about Home Chef later when it gets to lunchtime and dinner time. But without any further ado, let's get on with my Sunday and let's get on with the video. Alright, so I just put my earrings on, trying to look a little more put together. But I really need some coffee. I don't know about you, but I like to start my day off with sipping some coffee. And I am low on milk and coffee, so let's go to Starbucks and order my go-to cloud macchiato with soy and iced, of course. So yeah, let's go do that. Alright guys, we are here. We are at Starbucks. Woohoo! You guys, there's nothing like your first sip of coffee in the morning. Alright you guys, I am back home, and before I completely finish my cup of coffee, I'm going to do my laundry because I'm leaving for Atlanta tomorrow and I have a lot of laundry to do and to clean because I need clothes to wear. So anyways, let's do my laundry. Alright, that might have been very boring to watch, but good news, we have my laundry separated. Now I'm gonna go do my actual laundry. Alright, I am back. Kind of out of breath. Hoo-wee. But I'm back. The clothes are in the laundry. Now we wait 30 minutes. No, I'm just kidding. Now I'm gonna get ready, put on my face, do something with this hair, because I'm gonna meet my friends later today at 2 o'clock, so let's do that. Actually, you guys, before we go and put my face on, I actually want to open this box. It's from Fun. Really opening my Fun box. You guys, look at all the goodies. What is this? This is the cutest makeup bag. I'm assuming that's what it is. Look at this. Ooh. And here's my post for the Fun box. Wow, you guys, look at all the goodies. All right, time to get ready. Time to do something with this face. So, yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I added a glossy lip, but I might make it a matte later. I might use another lipstick, liquid lipstick. But now I'm debating what shall I do with my hair. Like, do we like it sleek and straight, and maybe I'll just make it a little more straighter? Do we want to put some curls? I kind of want to put some waves in it, so maybe we'll do that. But this is the makeup look. If you guys want me to do a video where I actually show how I do this, and don't make it a time lapse, let me know. I will be more than glad to. But yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit of wave in my hair. I think I'm gonna do that side pin trend. You guys know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna do that. And then we're gonna cook because your girl's hungry. And as soon as I'm done eating, you guys, I'm gonna go run to See's Candy to pick up some chocolates for my parents. Y'all, they are obsessed with See's Candy. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, you must not love chocolate. And then the plan after I go to See's Candy is to meet up with my girls. But see, you guys, how little time I have to like cook and eat. And yeah, maybe it's like really quick and easy to go to the local pizza shop right around the corner and get a box and get a slice of pizza. But like that, first, that adds up. Second, you know, we got to be concerned about our health and take better care of our bodies and make sure we eat a well-rounded meal. And thank gosh for Home Chef, because they supply us with fresh ingredients, a wholesome meal, and their meals take no more than 30 minutes to cook. So as soon as I'm done with my hair, you guys, I'm gonna go cook my Home Chef meal and show you guys. We do a little cooking together, taste test. And then also they are coming to Kroger. So if you guys have a local Kroger by you, you can actually pick up Home Chef meal kits. And I don't know about you, but in Georgia, that was my go-to grocery store. So when I found that out, I was like, oh my gosh, memories. Like, Kroger is where it's at. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, let me finish my hair. Guys, hair is looking cute. Oh my god, this is my first time doing this and I am in love. I am in love. Alright, let's get to cooking because I gotta eat. Alright, time to cook because I gotta eat and then I gotta go, which again is why Home Chef is really perfect. So your meals will be delivered in this box. How cute is it? And then there's actual, like, here, let me show you guys, little ice packs to keep your food cool and nice and fresh. Don't worry, they'll guide you on how to cook, and it's so easy to read recipes and then a picture of what your food should look like at the end. So now I'm deciding, what should I get? Which one shall I eat? Ooh, maybe we'll do this, the mojito lime chicken. See, and prep and cook time 15 minutes, and then difficulty level as far as cooking, easy. This is just, oh yeah, this is very healthy, light but filling at the same time. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do some chicken. Oh wait, I forgot to show you guys what the package actually looked like. So we're gonna do the mojito lime chicken, and look at the little bag it comes in. And it has all the ingredients inside already pre-portioned, which is like so important because we don't want to waste food. So I love that. Love that it's already pre-portioned. Of course, you'll have to do the cutting on your own. But yeah, and then most importantly, they have the meat separated. So we're going to need the chicken. So yeah, let's get to cooking our mojito lime chicken and poblano slaw. Here's an up close of the bag and all the ingredients. I love how they're all wrapped. And you guys, look, it's a Ziploc bag. How freaking cool is that? Sorry, y'all. I'm all about the details. And here's the final product. You guys, what the heck? It's like I literally took it out from the picture and like did some magic, and it's right here in front of me in person, in real life. This is crazy. But like seriously, how yummy and fresh does this look? Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to eat because I'm hungry. Let's do a little taste test. Oh man. Mmm. So fresh. Perfect for this summer. Oh my god. And I just tasted the chicken. So juicy and good. Oh, y'all. These recipes are so easy to do. Like, what? Hey, you guys. Future Hana here. So just wanted to remind you, if you guys wanted to check out Home Chef, to make sure to use my code HANA80. So it gives you $20 off your first 4 boxes for a total of $80. And also make sure to click the link down below in my description box, so then when you enter that code, it applies and you save that money. So yeah. So I am dressed. Definitely look different. So now I gotta go run an errand. I gotta go to C's Candy, just like I told you guys. So I'm just getting my purse ready. It looks like it might rain, so I might bring a jacket. Maybe we'll do this, you guys. You know what? That could work. Why not? Why not for now? Alright, got my lip gloss. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I got my shoes waiting for me at the door. So yeah, let's go get my gifts, my souvenir gifts for my parents. We have arrived. Yay, we're here at C's Candy. Oh my gosh, I hope they're open. Like, what if they're not open? No, they're opened. Oh yeah. So many good stuff. Look, oh, this might be for Mother's Day. That's so pretty. Chocolate galore, you guys. Look at all the goodies. Hey, you guys. Okay, so I just got home. I got my C's Candy. I feel so accomplished today, you guys. Sundays usually are my days to run errands, so I feel so accomplished. So now I'm gonna just touch up a little bit because my hair look a little cray-cray, and then I'm gonna order an Uber and I'm gonna go hang out with the gals. So so anyways, I'm gonna do that real quick because we're supposed to meet at 2 and right now it is 1:31. So let's go do that. Look at this goodness, you guys. This is called the Barbie Bowl. How cute is that?
You know what? I'll just get one more of these. So.
Hey, you guys. Okay, so I just got home, took off my jacket. Y'all, I am like pretty mentally and physically pooped. Y'all know I've been running around since like 8 o'clock this morning. So right now what I really want to do is change clothes, take a shower, take off this makeup and just relax. But it looks like someone just threw up in my room, threw up clothes. So I really need to tidy up right now. I need to wash the dishes, tidy up, and then I need to pack eventually. But I'm not going to pack right now. I'm just going to tidy up my place and then relax a little bit, and we'll go from there.
A few moments later.
Update, the dishes have been washed. Right now I'm just letting them dry, and then I'm going to stack them or just put them back in the cabinets. And well, I'm not going to show you the other side because my clothes are still drying, so there's still a little bit of everywhere over there. But now I'm just gonna relax, watch some YouTube videos, TV shows, just calm my brain down, and then I'll start packing a little bit later. But yeah, right now we're gonna have a rest time. Hey, you guys. So I rested for about 2 hours. Now I got hungry, so now I'm eating. This is actually another Home Chef meal that I cooked. This is freaking amazing. But yeah, this is so good. So now I'm just eating this and probably gonna finish this episode of the Vampire Diaries. I'm obsessed with this show. And then I'm gonna fix my face a little bit, like touch it up and maybe fix my hair. And then I'm gonna film a really quick video for Ipsy to introduce the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, their newest addition to the Ipsy family. So I'm gonna do that, and then maybe rest a little bit more, and then start packing, making sure I have everything that I need. Thank gosh Walgreens is open 24 hours. Anyways, so that's what I'm doing right now. Just eating my leftovers from yesterday's Home Chef meal. So good. Alright, you guys, so I touched up my makeup, aka my concealer, because it was looking bad. And then I fixed my hair a little bit, added a little fluff, a little bit texture, a little more waves. And now we're gonna go film the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus video. Alright, you guys, so it is now, gosh, it's almost 11 o'clock. But I just finished filming my announcement video for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So exciting, you guys. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll definitely link it down below. You should totally check it out. You get 5 full-size beauty products for just $25 a month. That's a really good deal. Ipsy, love ya. Anyways, now I want to take off my makeup. Let's take it all off. Put on my PJs. Take a shower, definitely. And get ready for bed. Because your girl has to wake up probably at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah, let's do that. You guys, good news. I actually got my suitcase and book bag out. Y'all, I have no idea why I leave packing to the end of the day. Like, literally an hour before I'm supposed to go to sleep. Anyways, now I'm gonna for real hop in the shower. Hey you guys, so update, I'm out of the shower all fresh and so clean. And I'm in my cute new PJs. I got it just for Atlanta, but also because the weather's getting a lot warmer and I do not want to sweat while I'm sleeping. So now I'm gonna start packing. Finally, am I right? Alright guys, a million years later, and we finally are packed. We have a book bag full and like a not small but medium sized suitcase filled up to the brim, and my outfit ready for the airport. I'm ready to go to bed. I just brushed my teeth. I'm ready, y'all. But before I close out today's video, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I had so much fun sharing my day with you and sharing like what a typical Sunday is for me. You know, Sundays are when I run my errands, get stuff done, prepare for the week, but rest a little bit too and have fun. So I hope you guys also enjoyed my Sunday adventures. If you guys want to see more vlogs or more videos like this, definitely let me know. But also, don't forget to check out Home Chef. I will link their website and everything down below, as well as the discount code, so you can save money off your first order. These meal kits were so easy and fun and good. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a girl thumbs up if you did. And if you guys want to see more of this face, don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. It's red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!